Hello everyone. We are going to start with chapter 2 of unit 3, that is the integumentary system and its interaction with the other body systems, okay, that is the other organ systems. And the course name is the same, that is systems of the human body and their functions. So let's get started. What you can see here, this is the cross section of the skin. So if you can recall, we have learned it in our earlier sessions that the integumentary system, it is made up of skin. Okay, these are the organs, you can say, which make up the integumentary system, like skin, hair, nails, sweat glands and oil glands, right? And skin is the largest organ of the body, right? Now, so we have already studied this, that is the functions of the integumentary system, but since now we are going to do its interactions with the other systems of the body, let's recall it again, okay, so that we can understand it well, at how it interacts with the other systems. It protects the body from damage, comprising the skin and its appendages, including hair, scales, feather, hoops and nails. Okay, so you won't find feathers in humans, but yeah, in birds, which is again a mammal, okay, you find feathers, right? You don't find hoops in humans, but you find it in cow, and you find it in horse. Okay, so in humans you find hairs and nails are also there. Okay, you don't, okay, and you don't even find scales in humans. Okay, so now, if our body, human body is very complex, it's made up of a lot of organs, right, which are the part of different, organ systems. And if skin is not there to cover the same, our body, then, a lot of microbes are there all around us, right? They'll attack us easily, a lot of dust is there, they'll attack us, and it won't be possible for us to survive. Okay, and the skin forms the body's first line of defense, right? The integumentary system has a variety of functions which includes waterproofing, cushioning, okay, and protecting the deeper tissues, right? Excrete wastes and regulate temperature. Now when it comes to the excretory role of the skin, right, it's the secondary excretory organ, and we release urea and carbon dioxide and excessive moisture through sweat, right? And our human body temperature is like 37 degrees centigrades. Okay, that's the optimum temperature of the human body at which all the body enzymes work, right? If the temperature is going up or down, then we won't be able to survive, right? So during summers we have to get rid of excessive of temperature and excessive of heat, and during winters we have to conserve heat, so that is done by the skin only, right? And if we cannot retain excessive of urea or carbon dioxide in the body, again we won't be able to maintain homeostasis, right? So the skin has excretory role to play. So it maintains homeostasis in terms of regulating the body temperature, excreting the wastes, and it also protects the deeper tissues, right? All our organs are very, very, delicate. So skin, it just protects it, and inside the skin you find fat reserves, okay? They are there in between the organs. Bony skeletal network is also there for sure. So both of them, they are inside the skin being the, organ, outermost organ, okay? And this is how, it works, right? Now, the integumentary system, I have already read that in our previous slide, but still, I'm reading it again, that it has to do with waterproofing, cushioning, protecting deeper tissues, excreting waste and regulating temperature. Now, how it interacts with the circulatory system. So if you can recall, circulatory system is made up of heart, blood vessels, that is arteries and veins, capillaries, right? So it works closely with the circulatory system and the surface capillaries through your body. Now, how? Capillaries near the surface of your skin open when your body needs to cool off and close when you need to conserve heat. So in order to understand the connection between the circulatory system and integumentary system, well, we need to understand the concept of vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Vasodilation is widening of the blood capillaries in the skin. Okay, that has some role to play, some function, okay, which we are going to do in our upcoming slides. And vasoconstriction is constricting of blood capillaries. Okay, so this is vasoconstriction and this is vasodilation. Now, why does it happen? That's the question. So see, when the hypothalamus, that is the thermostat of our body, when it senses it out that body temperature is too high, okay, that is like during summers, it sends impulses to the blood capillaries in the skin to dilate, that is to get wide. Okay, this is vasodilation, and the opposite of it is like vasoconstriction. If the temperature is very low, okay, the hypothalamus is going to send impulse. It is going to send message to the blood vessels, in the skin, okay, to contract. This is vasoconstriction. Now, what happens when they do vasodilation and when they do what? Vasoconstriction. Okay, so I think vasodilation is going to take place during summers, and vasoconstriction is going to take place during winters. So during summers we need to release excessive of heat, so that's why vasodilation takes place, and during winters we need to conserve it, so that's why vasoconstriction takes place. So when it comes to vasodilation, the increased blood flow to the surface tissues and the skin means that more heat is lost. This maintains homeostasis, and it conserves our body temperature at 37 degrees centigrade, because if it is going up or down, okay, then it would be fatal for us, right? And when it comes to vasoconstriction during winters, it reduces the blood flow to the surface tissue under the skin. As a result, less heat is lost. Okay, so that is how, like, both of them interact with one another. So that's it. Thank you so much.